Hello everyone. Today I'm going to revise with you all the sounds that we took throughout the year. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's go. The first sound is S. Again. S. Let's hear the song. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Okay, let's see the first picture. Snake. Snake. Okay, can you see the snake that I have today? Oh my god, the snake's body is too long. Can you see? Snake. What is the color of this snake? It's yellow snake, right? Okay, and then sun. Sun. Do you know that the sun rises at the morning? Sun. Okay, and then socks. Socks. Can you see the socks I have today? Can you see the two socks that I have? Socks. And then spoon. Again, spoon. Can you see this spoon? This is my blue spoon. We eat with the spoon. We can eat the rice with the spoon. We can eat the soap with the spoon, right? And then sandwich. Sandwich. And then sweet. Sweet. Okay, now we are going to take okay. Answer my arms, answer my arms, answer my arms, they're causing me alarm. Okay, ant, hello everyone, I am the ant, ant. Okay, and the next, apple, apple. Then, ambulance, ambulance. Who can tell me what is the sound of the ambulance? Wee wah, wee wah. Okay, can you see this ambulance? Ambulance, ambulance. And then, arm, arm. Can you see? I have a strong arm because I drink the milk. Arm. And then, arrow, arrow. Okay. Okay, now we are going to take t. When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Tree, tree. Again, tree. Can you see this tree? What is the color of the tree? Brown and green. Okay, and then turtle. Again, turtle. You know that the turtle walks so slow. And then table, table, table. And then tap, tap. And then train, train. Puff, train. Noisy little puff, train. And then tennis, tennis. Okay.